Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Frank Puzzles, and this is today's easy level puzzle. And take that easiness with a grain of salt because it's considered easy by the people on the Logic Masters Germany forum, and there's a lot of really smart people there. Today's puzzle is called Pink Rectangularity by Nicholas Duhale. And here are the rules. We have normal Sudoku rules apply, which means in every cell in the grid, place a single digit such from 1 through 9, such that there are no repeats in any row, column, or designated 9-cell region. Along pink lines, digits form a consecutive sequence in any order. So, for example, you could have, say, something like 3, 6, 4, and 5. And that would be valid because 3, 4, 5, 6 is a consecutive sequence. You could not have, though, something like, say, 3, 4, 5, 4. That's not a consecutive sequence. You also could not have something like 3, 4, 5, 7, because that's not a consecutive sequence. Anyways, because actually I think 3, 4, 5, it would be 3, 4, 4, 5, and 4 and 4 are not obviously consecutive, so that's why that wouldn't work as a consecutive sequence. And these are known as Renban lines, so that's an example of how Renban lines work. We also have, within a cage, digits must not repeat, and they sum to the small number in the top left corner. So, for example, if this were, say, a 4 here, this would have to be a 7, because these two digits must add up to 11, because they are the only digits in a cage which has an 11 in the top left corner. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's go. Okay. These are 4 digits which must be form a consecutive sequence. So these 2 digits that add up to these digits cannot be more than 3 apart from each other. Because to form a sequence of 4 digits that are consecutive, it has to be something like 3, 4, 5, 6, or 1, 2, 3, 4, which have the difference of 3 between the smallest and the largest digit. So these cannot have a difference of more than 3. Well, 1 and 9 have a difference of 8. 2 and 8 have a difference of 6, and 4 and 3 and 7 have a difference of 4. So none of those can work. So this must be a 4-6 pair here, which means we are guaranteed a 5 here to be consecutive, and it must be either with 3 or 7. 13, the difference between, so that's for 4-length red band. 13, you can have 4, 9, but that's a difference of 5. 5, 8 works, and 6, 7 works. So this is 5, 8, or it's 6, 7 there. Okay. If this is 5 and 8, that means this is guaranteed to be 6, 7. If we have 6 and 7 here, it could go 4, 5, or it could be 8, 9, or obviously it could be 5, 8 here. So those are the combinations there. To add up to 11, 2, 9 has a difference of 7, 3, 8 has a difference of 5, 5, 4, 7 works, and 5, 6 works. So this is 4, 7, or 5, 6. If this is 5, 6, this can be down to 3, 4, or up to 7, 8. And if this is 4, 7, this has to be 5, 6 here. Okay. To add up to 9, 1, 8 has a difference of 7, 2, 7 have a difference of 5, 3, 6, and 4, 5 potentially work. And if this is 4, 5, it could go down to 2, 3 here, or up to 6, 7. And if this is 3, 6, this would have to be 4, 5. Well, of these digits, we have a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sextuplet in this box 5, which eliminates 3 through 8 in the rest of the box. So this can't be 3 through 8, it's 2. This can't be 3 through 8, it's 9. So 2 to form a full Renban must be 2, 3, 4, 5. So this cannot be 3 and 6, it's guaranteed to be a 4, 5 pair, and then this must be 3 to form a valid Renban. Same with 9. 9, you cannot have 5 and 8 to form a 4-length Renban with it. It has to be 6 and 7, which forces this to be 8 here. This 4, 6 pair eliminates 4 here because of 4, 6 in the column, so that's 5, which makes that 4. So this cannot be 5 here. The 6, 7 pair eliminates 7 here, so this is 3, and therefore this must be 5 there. So no 3 or 5 here. This can't be 5, so this can't be 6. No 4 here, so that means this can't be 7. So this is 6, 7 as a pair, which eliminates 6, 7 in the rest of box 5. So this can't be 6, it's 4, which makes that 6. No 4, 6, or 7 there, makes that 8. So we cannot have 4 and 7 there. It's not going to be a 4-length Renban, because 4 and 8 are 4 apart. So this must be 5 and 6 there, which makes that 7. 6 eliminates 6 there, so it's 7 and 6. The remaining digit in box 5 is a 1. Okay. So, what else do we have? Column. Where do we go? Should either use this or this. Well, they're all going to be kind of the same. Let's just go... 10 is very restrictive. Let's try that one. So 10, you cannot have 1, 2, and 7 be in this cage. Because, again, the smallest and the largest can be at most... So for a 6-length Renban, the smallest and the largest have to be 5 apart from each other, at most. So 1 and 7 have a difference of 6, so that's not going to work. So this is either going to be 1, 3, 6, 1, 4, 5, or 2, 3, 5, adding up to 10. So no 5 or 6 here because of 5 or 6 in the box. No 6 here because of 6 in the column. So if we have a 1 here, these digits have to be 1 through 6 here. Otherwise, it could be 2, 3, 5 up to 7. So therefore, this is guaranteed to have... So it could be 1 through 4 or 1 through 7. Obviously, this cannot be 5, 6, or 7 because of 5, 6, or 7 in the column. So this can't be 6 because of 6 in the column. We are guaranteed, then, this must be 1 through 6 here, then. And, sorry, it has to have a 6 in it. So 6 is guaranteed to be here. One of these two digits. 19 is fairly restrictive too, right? For 3 digits, adding 6 to 10 is a difference of 4. 19 is not as restrictive, though. Okay. We are guaranteed a 6 here. 5 in this box has to be one of those 4 digits. So we're guaranteed on this Renban 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Because it's either 1 through 6 or it's 2 through 7. We just don't know. But we do know 6 is guaranteed here, 5 is guaranteed here in this box, because 5 and 6 cannot be here because of 5 and 6 in the box. Remaining digits in column 5. We have 2, 4, 6, and 9. No 6 here because of 6 in the box. Remaining digits of row 5, we have 4, 5, 6, 7. So no 6 here because of 6 in the box. 4 cannot be here because of 4 in the box, so we're guaranteed this is 6 and this has to be 4. Remaining digits of row 4, we have 1, 2, 5, 8, 9. Remaining digits of row 6, we have 1, 2, 3, 7, 9. Okay. No 8 here because of 8 in the box. To add up to 19, you cannot have 1 or 2 here. Or you could have 2, technically. 2, 8, and 9, but the difference between those 2 and 9 is 7. 3, 7, and 9, the difference between the 3 and the 9 is 6. So that's not possible for this Rembrandt to work. So we are guaranteed this has to have a 7 or 9 here. To add up to 19, no 2, 8, 9, no 3, 7, 9. 4, 6, 9 does work, but we can't have a 6 here because we're guaranteed a 6 there. 4, 7, 8 does work. So we could have 4 and 8 here with 7. That means the remaining digits on the Renban, 4, 8 with 7, would mean the remaining digits would have to be 5, 6, and 9, or 5, 6, and 3. So this would be 3 or 9, and we'd have 5 or 6 here. No 5 here because of 5 in the row, so that's 6, which would make that 5. So if this is 4, 8, 7, you have to have 5 and 6 to be consecutive, and then it's either with 3 or 9. Okay. What other set of digits add up to 19? So that's all the 4s. 5, starting with 5, it's 5, 6, 8, which doesn't work because this has to be 7 or 9. And that's it. 6 as the minimum digit can only add up to 21. So this must be 4, 8, and 7 here. That eliminates 7 in the rest of the box. So this becomes a 4, 5 pair. That eliminates 4, 5 in the rest of the box. So no 5 there, no 7 there. 4, 5 eliminates 5 in the rest of the row there. So this is 6, 7. That eliminates 7 in the rest of the box. So no 7 here. This is 7 with 4, 8 as a pair. That forces this to be 6 and 5. 5 eliminates 5 there, so it's 4 and 5 there. So 4 and 5 eliminate 4 and 5 in the rest of the column. So we're guaranteed a 5 here, and guaranteed a 6 there. 7 eliminates 7 in the rest of the column. So 5 has to be one of these two. 6 is one of those two. Remaining digits of column 8, we have no 4, 5, 7, or 8, so it's 1, 2, 3, no 6 here, and 9. 1, 2, 3, and 9. Remaining digits of box 9 is 1, 2, 3, 7, and 9. And this can't be 7 because of 7 in the row. Where is 4 in column 7? It must be one of these 3 cells there. Okay. Remaining digits of column 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8. Remaining digits of column 4. We have 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, and 7 obviously cannot be any of these 3 digits. 17 for 3 digits. 1, 7, and 9 add up to 17, but again, they have to have a difference of 5 at most, so this cannot be 1. And you have 2. 2, 6, and 9 is too big. Difference between the smallest and largest digit. 2, 7, 8. Again, the difference between 2 and 8 is 6. So 2 cannot be there. Can 9 be there? 9 would mean the remaining 2 digits must add up to 8. And the largest of the smallest digit would be 3 and 5. But 3 and 9 are 6 apart, so that doesn't work. So this cannot be 9. So we can't have adding 13. We can't have 9 here. Because 9 would have to be with 1 and 3. 9 and 1 are 8 apart from each other, which is not going to form a valid consecutive sequence. 8 would have to be 1, 4, or 2, 3. So that's problematic too. Because 2 and 8, as the smallest and the largest digit, are 6 apart. So we have to have 1 or 3 here. 1, again, 3, 9 doesn't work. 4, 8 doesn't work. And 5, 7 doesn't work. Because 1 and 7 are 6 apart from each other. And they can't form a 6-length Renban because they have to be 5 apart to do that. So this can't be 1. Therefore, this is guaranteed to be 3. That eliminates 3 in the rest of the column and box. That means the remaining 2 digits have to add up to 10, which is 13 minus 3. Obviously, no 1, 9, no 2, 8, so it's 4, 6, and no 3, 7 because of 3 in the row. So we have 3, 4, 6. That eliminates 4 and 6 in the rest of the row. This can't be 4, it's 8, which makes this 4. So no 4, 6 here, no 4, 8 here. This can't be 3 anymore. So we have 1, 2, 7, 9 remaining in row 5. 4, 6, so 3, 4, and 6 can form a 6-length Renban as 1 through 6, 2 through 7, or 3 through 8. So no 9 is possible. We are guaranteed one of these is a 5. 3 eliminates 3 here. So 4 eliminates 4 here, so that's 6, which makes that 4. 5 is guaranteed here. You could have 1 with 2 or 5, and 8 with 5 or 7. Interesting. Okay. Remaining digits of row 3. Sorry, row 7. We have 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. Okay. No 3 here because of 3 in the column. This cannot have a 4 to add up to 17. If we have 5 there, the remaining 2 digits must add up to 17 minus 5, which is 12. But we don't have 5, 7 available. We don't have 4, 8 available, which would, if this was 5, then this would have to be 3 and 9, which is a difference of 6 apart from each other, so that's not going to be able to form a 6-length Renban, because the difference between the smallest and the largest digit must be 5 at most for this cage. So no 5 here, this is 8. That eliminates 8 in the rest of the row and column. So 8 plus 17 minus 8 is 9. So no 1, 8 there. 2, 7 doesn't work because 2 and 8 have a difference of 6. So it can't be 4, 5 because of 4 in the column. So this is 3, 6 as a pair. 3 and 8 have a difference of 5, so that works. So that means the remaining digits on this rim band are 4, 5, and 7. This can't be 4 or 7, so that's 5. So no 5 here. That means this is a 4, 7 pair. 6 eliminates 6 there, so it's 3 and 6. 6 eliminates 6 there, so it's 7 and 6. No 7 here because of 4, 7 pair in the column. No 7 here because of 7 in the column. No 3 here because of 3 in the column. Remaining digits in column 2 are 1, 2, 5, and 9. 6 eliminates 6 here. So this cannot be 1, 3, 6. It's 1, 2, 1, 4, 5, or 2, 3, 5. Adding up to 10. Either way, there has to be a 5 there. There has to be a 6 on this red band, so it has to be here. So that's 6 there. So again, this is 1, 4, 5, or 2, 3, 5. So this can't be 1 here. Remaining digits in column 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. Well, where is the 7 in box 7? Cannot be here or here. Can't be here because of 7 is in the columns and 7 in the row. And therefore 7 has to be here. To form a valid rim band, it has to be 3 through 8. Because it has to contain a 1 or 8 here. So then this is 5, that's 8. That eliminates 8 in the rest of the column and row. 5 and 7, eliminate 5 and 7 in the rest of the row. 8 eliminates 8 here. We have a 1, 2, 3, 9 quadruplet in row 9, which eliminates 1, 2, 3, and 9 in the rest of the row. So this can't be 1 or 2, it's 4. This can't be 2, 4, or 9, so it's 6. And 7 in box 9 cannot be here, so 7 has to be there. That eliminates 7 here. And obviously this can't be 5. So this must be a 1, 2, 3, 4 quadruplet here. One of these 3 then has to be a 4. So that eliminates 4 from being here. Remaining digits in... This can't be 3 because of the 3 in the box. Remaining digits in box 1 are 1, 2, 5, 8, 9. No 5 here because of 5 in the row. No 5 here because of 5 in the row. 5 eliminates 5 from being there. Where's the 5? In box 1, it has to be here. So that's 5. We have a 2, 9 pair in column 5, which eliminates 2 and 9 in the rest of the column. So this can't be 2 or 9. It's 4. That eliminates 4 from the rest of the box. So this must be 2, 3, and 5 adding up to 10 here. That eliminates 2, 3, and 5 in the rest of the red band. So no 2, 3 there. It's 1, which makes that 4 there. 1 eliminates 1 in the rest of the box. This 7, 9 pair eliminates 7, 9 in the rest of the box. So this can't be 9. It's 2, which makes this 9. Which makes this 1, which makes that 2. 2 eliminates 2 there, so it's 3 and 2. This can't be 1, 2, 3, or 4, so that leaves that as 8. That eliminates 8 here. 1, 2 eliminate 1 and 2 here, so this is 9. This can't be 1, 2, or 9, it's 8. That eliminates 8 and 9 in the rest of the box, so this is a 1, 2 pair, which eliminates 1 and 2 in the rest of the column. So no 1, 2 there, it's 9. No 1, 2, 9 there, it's 8. So no 8 here. 1 eliminates 1 here. 9 eliminates 9 here. So that's 2. That makes that 1, which makes that 2. No more 2 here. 2 eliminates 2 there, so it's 1 and 2. 9 eliminates 9 there, so it's 7 and 9. 4 eliminates 4 there, so it's 7 and 4. No more 4 here. This can't be 2 or 3. No 2 here because of 2 in the column. And 2, 3 in the row here. So this is a 1, 9 pair. That eliminates 1, 9 in the rest of column 8. So no 1, 9 here. It can't be 2. So that leaves that as 3. That eliminates 3 in the rest of the row. So this is a 1, 9 pair here. That eliminates 1, 9 in the rest of the box. So this can't be 1 or 9. It's 3. No 1, 2, or 3 there. It's 9. That eliminates 9 in the rest of the box and column. Remaining digit in row 1. We have a 3. We have an 8 remaining in row 2. 3 eliminates 3 there, so this is 9. This can't be 1 or 2 because of 1 or 2 in the row, so that's 3. Remaining digits in column 7 are 1 and 2. This can't be 2 because of 2 in the row, so that's 1, which makes this 2, which makes that 1. 1 eliminates 1 there, so it's 9 and 1. 1 and 9 eliminate 1 and 9 there, so it's 2. 9 eliminates 9 there, so it's 1. Which eliminates 1 there, so that's 9, which leaves this as a 7. Pretty cool, actually. Was kind of curious how this would work out, but it was pretty interesting. Particularly the restrictions with the cages and the Ren bands. That was actually very interesting how that worked out. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this solve, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.